About 15 square meters of well-preserved dinosaur footprints with both positive and negative fossil slabs have been unearthed in Shanghun County, Longyan City of East China's Fujian province. Experts say the discovery of such a large area of well-preserved dinosaur imprints is rare across the globe.
这个标本呢，你可以看到，它是立着的，这立着的，下面还有一块，它正好呢从这个恐龙脚印的这个中间呢就劈开了，劈开以后呢。正好是正负面，而且呢，这个标本非常非常大，你可以看到呢，至少呢15平方米啊，或者更多一点，上面有几十个脚印，还有一些形迹，它这个恐龙活动的时候，走路的时候留出来的一些形迹。
Researchers say these fossils are quite rare in terms of both amount and clarity, which make them of great significance to the study of the living habits and living environment of the late Cretaceous dinosaurs.
就从我们足迹研究来说，它这个保存的这种清晰度也是世界级的。这个是它活着的时候留下的，和骨骼标本还有很多区别。我们可以了解它的很多的这个就是它的生活方式呀，它是不是群居呀等等这些它的行走方式这些规律，我们都可以去了解。
Since November 2020, Shanghun has unveiled diverse dinosaur fossils, proving that dinosaurs had lived in the area for a long time.